guys, we have LG C3 over here, and the tricky part with the TV is how to find the input. Usually in any other TV you can see a button over here in the remote that it says input. This one is a little tricky, so I'm gonna show you how to find it the easiest way. So this is the one right here that looks like a mouse. Something that it's tricky because you can associate this with the mouse and the TV that is like have that movement. So when you see the TV right here, if you click that button over here, it's gonna show you what you want to use. So I have NVIDIA Shield over here. I'm gonna click OK, that one. And that's my NVIDIA Shield. So practically this is the button right here, the input button. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe to the button. Click the subscribe button if you like more videos like that. Thank you, guys.